up guys, it's Kelly and today I've got a stamping polish swatch review for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos, and let's get started. So today I'm partnering up with Picture Polish to share with you guys swatches of their stamping polishes. So this is actually the first time that I've ever done a stamping nail polish review, so I wasn't really sure how I wanted to do it, but basically what I ended up deciding to do is I'm going to show you guys swatches on my finger, like a full nail polish swatch of each polish so you can see the color and the quality, and then I'm also going to show you guys stamping with that polish for each one. So just a quick overview about Picture Polish. They are an independent nail polish brand based in Australia. They are 10 free, meaning they are free of 10 of the dangerous chemicals that are often found in nail polish. They are vegan and they are cruelty free. So what I'm going to be doing for the swatches, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys each polish on its own on my nail, but I'm actually also going to be using for the swatches their collaboration plate with MoYou London. It's the Picture Polish and MoYou London #2 plate, and basically we have so many cute little nail polish designs on here. We've got one that says nail polish addict, we've got one that says you nailed it, very cute. We have like a full-size nail polish bottles thing, and then there's just a bunch of really cute stuff on here. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using for all of my swatches. So yeah, I guess we may as well just get started. We've got 5 polishes to go over today, and I was really surprised at them. So let me show you guys the swatches. So roll footage. All right, so I'm going to start off with the white stamping polish, and like I said, I'm going to be doing regular swatches of all of these polishes, although I will say for the most part I recommend just using them as stamping polishes just because they are so opaque for that and you wouldn't want to waste them on here. But to be honest, these ended up being really impressive just applying normally. This white polish was so good and it was perfectly opaque in 2 coats, but it was also really self-leveling and easy to apply on the nails, so was very impressed with this one. So really the reason that I'm showing you guys these swatches over the regular nail is 1, to show you what color it ends up being at full opacity, which is generally going to be in 1 coat, and 2, just so you can see how opaque these are. So stamping polishes need to be extremely opaque in order to work as stamping polishes. So this one obviously was incredibly well done, and as you can see I ended up stamping with this little squiggly line, and I stamped over black as I ended up doing with all of these except for of course the black stamping polish, and I was really impressed with how opaque it showed up. There were no transparent areas, there was no spots or anything like that. It just applied really perfectly and it showed up so well over the black. So was very impressed with this white stamping polish. Possibly a new favorite. Next we'll move on to the gold stamping polish, and once again I'm just going to swatch that on my hand so you can see, and aside from the white, all of these I ended up getting perfect opacity in 1 coat as a regular polish on my nails. But again, like I said, I really just recommend using these for stamping unless you need to have like a matching accent nail or something like that, just because I don't really like wasting my stamping polishes on regular application. But the reason that I really liked this gold is because it wasn't too warm or yellow toned. It almost had a little bit of a champagne feel to it, which I feel like is really nice. The only stamping gold I have aside from this one now is a very yellow gold, and sometimes it just doesn't really match the type of vibe I'm going for. So this one was just perfect for that because it really felt so elegant and almost delicate on the nails, and as you can see it was extremely opaque. It stamped really beautifully. It's just overall a great stamping polish. Of course you can't have a gold stamping polish without a silver stamping polish, so again it was pretty much the same formula here. This one was just so easy to apply onto my nails. It was just so smooth and really self-leveling. When I am working with regular stamping polishes and I need to paint them onto my nails for whatever reason, I find that they tend to be pretty lumpy and almost too thick to apply, so just another reason why I was really impressed with these. So I went in with this little nail polish bottle design to show you guys the stamping powers of this silver, and oh my gosh, first of all, this stamp is adorable, as any nail polish addict would love, but also I just feel like this was such a good stamping polish. Look at how opaque and perfect those bottles look. Oh man, absolutely loved it. Moving on to the stamped red polish, and this one was actually really interesting. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it, and I did end up stamping it over black, and one thing about red polishes is they tend to have a more jelly-like formula than a cream formula, so I wasn't sure that it was gonna be entirely opaque. On the first use of it over my full nail, I was really impressed with the opacity. It did give me 1 coat coverage and it was really smooth and easy to work with, but the true test, like I said, is stamping it. So instead of a full design, I went for this little flower. That doesn't change the ability of opacity or anything. I was just getting tired of cleaning up around my cuticles by this point, but as you can see, stamping that over the black was surprisingly impressive. impressive. I feel like this just looks so opaque over it. Normally I always recommend stamping your darker color onto a lighter base, but in this case I just thought it worked really well and was fully opaque. And last but not least, we have the stamped black, and this one was very important to me to make sure that it was a good quality one. For me, black is the #1 color that I use as a stamping polish, and again, I really prefer to use stamping polish for my black stamping just because I feel like that's what gives me the most opacity, the strongest lines, the easiest application. And as you can see from applying it on my nail, this one is super opaque, but it's not thick and goopy, which I was really impressed with. So I ended up going in with this little hand holding a nail polish bottle, which was so adorable. Seriously, this whole stamping plate was very cute. So if you're picking any of these up, I highly recommend you grab this plate as well. Of course, my nails are pretty short, so I couldn't get the full image on there, but just the little hand holding the bottle I thought looked so cute. And as you can see, I put it over the red and you can still see the lines very clearly. It was fully opaque and it just worked really well on the nails. So here they all are together, and like I said, I'm just showing you guys what these look like applied fully over the nails just so you can see the colors of each one, but they are all super opaque. They were super impressive. Honestly, this could be the best stamping brand that I've tried, and I'm really hoping that Picture Polish comes out with more, especially more of those metallics in different colors would be so nice, but I really enjoyed the creams as well. Would love to see a blue and a green and a yellow, hint if you guys want to make more. But seriously, very impressed with these, really enjoyed them, and very high quality. You could definitely tell with application how quality these were. So those are all of these stamping polishes, and like I said, I was honestly pretty surprised at these. I thought they ended up being so impressive, not only for stamping, but also for regular application. Generally, I feel like stamping polishes on their own tend to be so goopy that they're really impossible to just paint on your nails, and in some cases where you want to have like a matching detail or accent nail or something, it's really almost impossible to just paint that onto the nail. So I was really impressed that we were able to get that with these polishes. But obviously the most important thing, stamping was so impressive too. These ended up being one of the highest quality stamping polishes I've ever ended up using. I really wasn't expecting them to be as opaque and easy to use as they were, so yeah, very much impressed with these. Now obviously you don't need stamping polish to do stamping nail art, but I do think that these stamping polishes that are made specifically for it do tend to have a lot better opacity and a higher quality. If you guys want to see, I've done compilations before where I have used regular polishes and stamping polishes, so you can kind of see the difference there. But yeah, overall, extremely impressed with these. I really enjoyed them, and I'm definitely going to be using them a lot for stamping, especially that gold, because I'm definitely picky with my gold polishes, and this one just ended up being so pretty and such good quality, and that really nice soft gold. So yeah, definitely love that one, but all of them are really good. All of these polishes are available on the Picture Polish website, which I'll link down below, as well as their stamping plates. You can check that out if you are interested, but I would love to hear from you guys. Have any of you tried these stamping polishes from Picture Polish? Are you planning on checking them out or picking them up? Let me know in the comments. You know I love to chat with you guys. If you enjoy my swatch and review videos, please give this one a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, just really quick update. I wanted to let you guys know. I know I recently reviewed the Looking Glass top coat from Picture Polish. Oh my gosh, I have not used another top coat since I got this one. I am 100% now obsessed with it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. If you guys haven't picked this up already, you definitely should. It's very good. But anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, today's fun fact question comes from Patreon supporter Alyssa, and Alyssa wants to know, since you're from New Jersey, do you believe in the Jersey Devil? Honestly, I don't even know the lore behind the Jersey Devil. I know the hockey team, the New Jersey Devils, and I believe in them. But yeah, I don't really even know. I'm very boring in that I don't keep up with my state's lore. I should probably look into that. I feel like it could be cool. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.